Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Math with Yasir Irfat, and we have to discuss 10 top most important MCQs of geometric progression, in short GP first year. Here in a geometric progression, Sn is equals to, we have a formula A times Rn minus 1 divided by R minus 1. So the D option is correct for the first MCQs. So here Sn is equals to A times 1 minus R power n divided by 1 minus R. So here we have the formula R is less than 1. R is less than 1. Now come to the third MCQs. The sum of infinite decreasing geometric series. We have the formula for S is equals to A over 1 minus R. So here A is 1 upon 2 and R is 1 upon 4 divided by 1 upon 2, that is 1 upon 2. So just we have to put the value here. A 1 minus 1 upon 2, that is 1 upon 2, cancel out, and the result is 1, and the correct option is A of this MCQs. So here AR square up to infinity represents a basic formula A over 1 minus R here. The fifth MCQs, the progression 3, 9, 27, 81 and so on represents the which type of the MCQs, which type of the progression here. 9 over 3, that is 3 3s are 9, 27 over 9, 9 3s are 27, that means the ratio is same. When the ratio is same, that means it is the geometric progression here. If the difference is same, then the arithmetic progression. Now come to the next MCQs here, that is the 6. This is A4, A and 16. We have to find out the geometric mean between this. So say A will be equals to radical AB, and that is 16 multiplied by 4, 64, and the radical 64 is 8, and the correct option is plus minus 8. The B option is correct here. Now again the geometric progression between 3 and 6. So this will be equals to, we have the formula, that is 12 multiplied by 3, AB in the radical plus minus. We have a single geometric mean formula there. So 12 3s are 36, and the correct option is 6, that is the plus minus 6. The D option is correct here. Now the 8th MCQs is 1 minus 1 upon 3, 1 upon 9 represents the which type of the progression here. So if we have to divide first to the second, will be equals to 1 upon 3, and 1 upon 9 divided by 1 upon 9 divided by minus 1 upon 3, 3 3s are 9, again minus 1 upon 3, that means the ratio is same, so that means it is the geometric progression. It is the geometric progression. So this is the geometric progression. Now here again we have a formula A times Rn minus 1 divided by R minus 1. So when R is greater than 0, then we have to use this formula for geometric progression to find out the sum there. In a GP, the first term cannot be equal to 0. So first term cannot be equal to 0 in geometric progression. Thank you so much, dear students. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel Math with Yasir Irfat. Allah Hafiz.